Hello everyone. So you guys know I'm very curious, and recently I had a comment on one of my videos about basically this new skin lightening, I guess you could say it's a supplement. It's really kind of sounds like an ingredient to me, but basically it's pretty new on the market. As far as I know, of all of the research that I did into it, I really, it looks like there's only like a couple places that's really selling it. And so basically this is what the comment says. Do you know about Hithion? As much as I know that Hypheon is a yeast extract derived from torula yeast, which is recognized by the FDA as edible yeast. With little odd taste or yeasty smell, it can be combined with various food materials and is ideal for health food supplements. I've just discovered that Hypheon is so rich in glutathione and it's 10 times more stronger and potent than L-glutathione in lightening the skin color. But I'm not sure about this information. Can you please do some studies and research on Hypheon and make a L-glutathione versus Hypheon video? So after looking into that, like as soon as you just type in, buy Hithion, basically it's just more of like a brand that's pushing it. It is trademarked already. So this is the site. It's like a Japanese based company that's basically trademarked Hithion. And so it's, as she said, she just, copied and pasted what she had seen and then asked, that we looked further into this. And so, I mean, it's just a yeast extract. Seeing this, I was like, okay, so can you just get this anywhere? But the more I looked into it, it's like, you can't just go buy the yeast extract. Like it's marketed and obviously it's trademarked by this company, and then it's being used in other skin lightening brands. So they're saying that glutathione is always present in human bodies. We already know this. So this was one of the websites that had Hithion, because of course I want to see, okay, how much is this stuff? And at first I thought, oh, you could just buy the yeast extract, but basically it's always going to be like added into other, skin lightening ingredients. So it's basically going to be a blend. So on this site, it's just telling us that it's an antioxidant, that it removes free radicals, relieves muscle fatigue, basically all the things that we already know glutathione does. It whitens and brightens your skin, increases skin elasticity, enhances protection against UV rays, literally everything that glutathione does, except in this blend, it does help increase collagen, and it's talking about preventing pimples and enhance healing wounds. And so sadly it got cut off, but the three main ingredients are blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, elderberry, then the Hithion powder, and then vitamin C. And so most of the companies that I saw that are actually selling Hithion, they're selling it in like these little packets. And so it looks like these packets have to be blended up in like a drink, so probably just poured into water. So it's going to be a powder. It's saying consume one, I guess sachet or packet of Hithion daily. Best consume after breakfast. Avoid consuming Hithion with greasy meals. Hithion is safe for breastfeeding mothers. However, should your baby experience any uncomfortable condition, please consult your doctor. Can I take Aduela, Adore, and Hithion together? So I'm assuming that these are other things that they're marketing right now. So they're saying you should choose either consume Aduela or Hithion. Both of these supplements already contain high levels of vitamin C. Adult bodies require 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily, and then they're just saying that you just have an excessive amount of vitamin C. So yeah, so I guess you could take this and this together, but not the Aduela, just because it would be too much vitamin C. What is the difference between Hithion Plus and Aduela? Aduela is formulated to help women getting their ideal body weight and beautiful skin at once, while Hithion focuses on skin only. How fast can I see the result? Hithion is a natural food-based supplement. You may see difference between 30 and 60 days. Hithion helps in boosting the production of natural type 1 collagen inside our body. It does not contain marine or artificial collagen. Can men consume Hithion? Yes. Can pregnant ladies consume Hithion? It's saying it's safe, but taking Hithion during pregnancy is not suggested. But usually if you're taking glutathione in general, it's really not suggested. Is Hithion Plus ingredient safe for consumers? Yes. Can I take more than one packet a day? It's just saying just one a day. Vitamin C is water-based. Excessive intake will not be stored but excreted directly via urine. If you have serious skin problem, the maximum allowable amount is 2 packets daily. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I'm wondering, okay, just how much vitamin C is in here? saying how young can you start Hypheon. 19 years old and above, as kids below 19 only require 400 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Is it safe for high blood pressure? I mean, obviously just ask your doctor. What is the advantage of Hypheon compared to other whitening products? It boosts production of natural collagen and glutathione. So basically it's saying it's acting as a precursor to basically get your cells to make your own glutathione, though of course we already know there are different ingredients or supplements that we could take to help this process to basically make our body make even more glutathione. Coffee enemas is one way to basically kick your body into gear with just making a surplus of glutathione. That broccoli sprout ingredient, I want to say serum for a second, but a broccoli sprout is huge in making your body make more glutathione, and so there's lots of different ways to get your body to make even more. Why is Hypheon suggested to be taken after a meal? The content of vitamin C in Hypheon is very high. If we take any food that contains higher vitamin C on an empty stomach, you'll have stomach aches. So I'm trying to see if they like tell you about what all, like how much vitamin C is in it, because I feel like most of that was just very focused on vitamin C and trying to, you know, help you not get too much vitamin C, because most of you guys already know when you're starting to megadose high amounts of vitamin C, those first few weeks are kind of intense because your body has to get used to it. So this was one vendor that had Hypheon. Let's see if we can go to the next. Another product that has this very elusive, very new Hypheon. This is Riva Max 3, and basically just saying it's an anti-aging formula. And improves skin oxidation, and it's an immune booster, and it has patented ingredients. So Skin AX, of course we don't know what that is, but we already know Hypheon, it's a patented thing, and then something called YHD18 and vitamin C. Let's see what else they have to say about this. Flawless glowing skin, anti-aging formula. And then basically this is the same from that other website. So basically this is the same thing that we saw from the Japanese manufacturer. Hithion is a yeast, high glutathione. It's made from torula, and it's recognized by the FDA as edible yeast. And so then they just let you know all of what it does. Immune booster, helps boost collagen, whitening, and better skin complexion, prevents acne, anti-aging. Basically close to the same thing that we saw on that other website, except these ingredients, I'm not sure what their Skin AX mixture is. We're not going to get too into that. I'm not sure what mannitol is, but again, it's in a packet. So majority of these Hypheon products are all in a packet. So within the last 2 weeks, it looks like there's been like a new launch with this Hypheon. Remember, Hypheon is supposed to be like 10 times more powerful than glutathione, and so in this product, again, it's in like a little packet, and this is from Satin Skins. I haven't really heard a whole lot about them, but they are a skin lightening brand, and it's Hypheon Plus for African skin. And so most of the things that I saw on here is that this is formulated specifically for people with darker skin. In our last video, we talked a little bit about you know, different skin types. Depending on where you are in the world, there are different ingredients that will help you lighten quicker. Obviously it seems like they're trying to play off of that, and so I'm gonna probably end this video here, and we're gonna finish up the deep dive on what I found with the Hypheon thing, and we'll finish that up on Patreon. So if you're a Patreon member, I'll have the video up there if you want to join us there. I do daily posts every day, email lists and things like that. But we just go into every single ingredient, because a lot of these ingredients are like other patented, so it's like you won't necessarily know exactly what it is like right off the bat. And so yeah, we go into that, and also other people who have used it, and basically try to figure out, is this a marketing ploy, or is there actually something to Hypheon? And of course, the most important question, how can we get it ourselves without having to spend like too much money? Like, how can we just get the actual use?